Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Danjo number EST-115-DU. This is an extended lip ANSI strike plate Duro coated. Let's dissect the part number. EST, extended strike. The -115 means that this strike, it gives the EST and the 115 all conspire to give us the dimensional properties. It's a 4 7/8 tall strike. That's going to be used in a hollow metal frame generally. Wood frames too can have these. They can certainly be mortised and typically are, commonly are. Mortised for a 4 7/8 tall strike, but it's it's hollow metal steel frames is where you're going to see this. The 115 refers to the fact that this is an extended lip strike. An overall width, that's not the 1.5 inches, it's about 2 1/8. But the lip length is defined as the dimension from the center of the hole for the screw to the edge of the lip. That's 1.5 inches. This is about a 1/4 inch greater than standard. So not very much. But if you have a circumstance where your latch bolt is making premature contact with the casing, the wall, shutters, some sort of treatment that's been done, you might need just that extra 1/4 inch lip length to mitigate that sort of problem. Now, the DU, that means Duro coated. It's a powder coat over stainless. Not when Danjo does a DU or a Duro coat, it's not always on stainless. I've seen it sometimes on steel as well, but this is a stainless steel piece of base material with this Duro powder coating on it. Screws are included in a complementary finish. There is a link below this video to a document called Template that will allow you to review all of the important dimensional properties of this strike beyond what I've provided. If you want to be sure that it's the right strike to fit dimensionally into your frame, refer to that document. It'll also refer to the other finishes that I no longer believe are available from Danjo. This template, I believe it to be out of date. And the time of this video, it's 15.5 years old, is that template. So polished brass and satin bronze, I believe those are discontinued. You can get the 630 finish, which is stainless steel, but with a satin brushed finish. And then the DU finish as well. If you have need for those other architectural finishes, reach out. We'll be able to assist you with that. Now, there is the instance where you're using this is, as stated before, you probably have a condition where you're making premature contact with the frame, wall, whatever has been applied from the hardware. This is going to be a typical hole that you'll use for a cylindrical lock, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, whatever lock you're putting on it. Not for mortise locks, not for deadbolts. For deadbolts, you wouldn't need a lip, a curved lip. And a mortise lock would generally have either one long hole, but more specifically, it'd have a couple of holes, top and bottom. If you need help with, a strike not exactly like this, reach out to us. There is a link below this video to the product catalog that will allow you to review all items strike plate related from Danjo. They have many variations of strike. Well, they have every in a certain sense. Many variations of 4 7/8, 2 3/4, 2 1/4, various lip lengths, armored strikes, standard strikes. There's even a form at the end of the catalog that allows you to draw the strike that you want, and they will happily quote that for us and produce an order should you elect to process. So that catalog is very handy. But what you are going to find is a link below this video as well to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up not only all the Danjo products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's product catalog, along with a link to the manufacturer's website. The product catalog is handy, though, because what you'll notice, if you review it, is that Danjo is a comprehensive manufacturer of all things trim and auxiliary hardware related. So much so that we've taken the subsections of the catalog and linked them above the full line product catalog, which is a bit unwieldy. If you know Danjo, you probably know them as a manufacturer of latch protectors and the U-shaped door reinforcing wraparound plates. Everyone knows Danjo for that stuff. But when you look at the rest of the catalog sections, bolts and latches, door controls, meaning overhead stops and holders, pivots, kick plates, armor plates, stretcher plates, mop plates, door edges, door pulls, push and pull hardware, stops, holders, and bumpers, filler plates, mounting tabs, signage, hinges, great spring hinges, ladder pulls, and then those two lines in addition to the strike plates that everyone knows them for. I'm partial to Don Jo, and it's because they focus on doing one thing and they do it very well. Very good quality products, exceptional customer service, and in the rare instance that there is a mistake that they've made, they rectify it all but immediately. If you have any questions on the Don Jo EST-115-DU extended lip ANSI strike and a Duro coat or any other Don Jo product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.